channel. Hope you all are doing great. So here I am back with a new video, and in this video I am going to discuss with you the most important cue cards. I have prepared a list for you guys so that I should help you with the important cue cards that you guys should prepare for your upcoming IELTS exam. First of all, I am going to discuss this cue card along with you guys, and in last I will provide you with the list. So let's start. These are the most important cue cards. I will just provide you the heading and you have to prepare these cue cards. The first one is describe an important event that you celebrated in the past. The next cue card is talk about a time when you took an advice from your friend. The next one card. The next one is talk about a news which had affected you the most. So here the question arises many times from the candidates, either we should talk about a good news or a bad news. So it is totally up to you that which news, either bad or good, you want to discuss, because they have asked about which has affected you the most. The next one, talk about a place of water where you like to spend your leisure time. So here you have to talk about a place of water. If you are talking about any of the place, you should mention about the water related things in that place where you like to spend your leisure time. Next one is talk about an old person whom you admire from your family. So you have to talk about an old person from whom you get admired, but he or she should be from your family, like not from your family. He or she can be like your maternal parents or paternal parents also. The next one is describe a piece of art. In this you can describe any piece of art that like for example, if any art is hanging in your room, you can describe that piece of art, or if you have drawn any art, you can describe that piece of art. The next question is talk about a wild animal you like. So here you have to talk about a wild animal, not a domestic animal. You have to read your question very carefully. Don't be in hurry, because you have sufficient time in your final exam, like in your real exam, to go through your questions. So be calm and then read your questions and then start talking about that topic. The next one is favorite building or historical building. Here you have to talk about your favorite building or the historical building. The next one is talk about a chef in your country. Like many students don't know famous chef in your country, but here you can mold out the things and like you can talk on your mother as a chef. So you should know how to build up a story around that thing. The next topic is talk about the longest bridge in your country. The next one, talk about your favorite flower. Here they have asked about flower, not a plant, so you have to take care. The next one, speak about a book you read recently. Next one, talk about a Hollywood blockbuster or any Hollywood movie or movie you watched based on real event. So that movie can be Hollywood blockbuster movie or any Hollywood movie or just a simple movie, but it should be based on the real story. So the next cue card is speak about a museum you have visited. So you have to talk about a museum. The next one is talk about a magazine you read regularly. The next one, speak about a teenager you know. Then talk about your favorite season. And the last one is talk about an outdoor activity people in your area do. So this was the list of some of the important cue cards. Now I am going to show you this list so that you should have a written image along with you guys to prepare well. So this is the list of most important cue cards. I think it's clear now. Yeah. So that was the list of the cue cards, and I hope this video will really help you in your preparation for your real exam. And in last, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, the IELTS Listening Test channel, and press the bell icon to get the notification of newly updated videos.